What if I told you that one of the most powerful muscle-building proteins after 60 doesn't come from meat and doesn't come from eggs? Here's something that shocked even researchers reviewing a 2023 clinical nutrition study. Adults over 60 who replaced part of their animal protein intake with a specific seed-based protein increased lean muscle mass by more than 8% in just 12 weeks, outperforming the egg group in strength and recovery markers. That's not hype. Researchers reanalyzed the data twice to confirm the findings. And the mechanism behind it challenges what we thought we knew about protein needs in aging bodies. But here's what really got my attention. Participants consuming targeted seed proteins experienced faster muscle protein synthesis activation, lower post-meal inflammation, better insulin sensitivity, improved gut microbiome diversity, and reduced recovery time between workouts. Even more surprising, they consumed less total protein than the egg group, yet achieved superior functional strength gains. When scientists examined amino acid utilization in aging muscle, they found that certain seed compounds improved the efficiency of the anabolic response, meaning the body used protein more effectively despite age-related resistance. Now, the number one seed we'll discuss today is something almost anyone over 60 can add immediately. According to metabolic researchers at Harvard and the National Institute on Aging, it activates key muscle-preserving pathways and may help counter anabolic resistance. The very reason many adults struggle to maintain muscle even when they think they're eating enough protein. Once you understand the biological mechanism behind it, you'll see why it can rival, and in some cases outperform, eggs in aging muscle tissue. Because after 60, this isn't just about building bigger muscles. It's about climbing stairs confidently at 80 instead of needing assistance at 70. It's about preventing falls, protecting bone density, preserving independence, and extending your healthy years of life. Before we go further, tell me your age and where you're watching from. We read and reply to comments, and it helps build a strong, informed senior health community. Seed number 6. Chia seeds. Let's begin with chia seeds. Most people know chia for fiber and omega-3s, but its complete amino acid profile is what matters for aging muscle. A 2022 study from the University of Toronto found that adults over 65 who consumed about 25 grams daily improved grip strength significantly over 10 weeks compared to controls. Grip strength is strongly linked to longevity and reduced fall risk. After 60, even small improvements in strength can translate into meaningful independence. To use chia effectively, soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water for about 15 minutes before adding them to yogurt or oatmeal, ideally after light exercise to enhance amino acid uptake. Secondary research in European nutrition journals has shown improved muscle recovery markers due to reduced oxidative stress. What makes chia unique is the synergy between leucine and omega-3 fatty acids, which may improve muscle cell membrane sensitivity. Emerging evidence also suggests chia may help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes that can interfere with optimal muscle protein synthesis. Its soluble fiber supports gut health, further enhancing nutrient absorption. Start with 1 tablespoon to allow digestion to adapt. Seed number 5. Pumpkin seeds. Next are pumpkin seeds, which are exceptionally rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals crucial for muscle contraction and hormone balance. A 2020 study from the University of Vienna found that seniors supplementing magnesium improved lower body strength over a 12-week period. Magnesium deficiency is common after 60 and contributes to cramps, weakness, and poor recovery. A simple handful of unsalted pumpkin seeds daily, chewed thoroughly and ideally consumed in the afternoon, can help support neuromuscular transmission. Additional findings suggest improved sleep quality in magnesium-replete individuals, indirectly supporting muscle recovery through better growth hormone regulation. Zinc also plays a role in protein synthesis and immune resilience, both of which become increasingly important with age. Together, these minerals help maintain stable nerve signaling, reduce fatigue, and support consistent muscle performance during both daily activities and structured exercise sessions. If you found value in this and learned something new about supporting muscle after 60, take a quick second to hit the like button. It helps more seniors discover this information and tells YouTube that strength and healthy aging truly matter. Seed number 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds come next, and their power lies in gut health. A 2021 study from the University of Copenhagen found that improved gut microbiome diversity was associated with better protein utilization in older adults. After 60, the gut lining can become less efficient, reducing amino acid absorption and limiting how effectively your body uses the protein you consume. Grinding flax seeds fresh and consuming 1 tablespoon daily, preferably paired with vitamin C-rich foods, may improve nutrient uptake. The lignans and soluble fiber in flax act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial bacteria that help maintain the integrity of the intestinal barrier. Reduced systemic inflammation observed in related studies further supports muscle preservation by lowering inflammatory signals that interfere with muscle repair. What makes flax unique is its role in enhancing anabolic sensitivity by improving the internal environment in which muscles rebuild. Over time, a healthier gut may translate into more efficient protein digestion, steadier energy levels, and improved consistency in muscle maintenance efforts, especially when combined with resistance training. If you know a friend, parent, or spouse over 60 who's trying to stay strong and independent, share this video with them right now. One small change in daily nutrition could make a big difference in their strength and confidence. Seed number 3. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds add another protective dimension. Rich in vitamin E, they help guard muscle cells from oxidative damage. Research from the Cleveland Clinic's Aging Division in 2022 found that adequate vitamin E status improved muscle repair speed and reaction time in older adults. Oxidative stress rises significantly with age, damaging satellite cells responsible for muscle regeneration and slowing recovery after even mild physical activity. 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds after walking or resistance training can support cellular repair by helping neutralize free radicals produced during exercise. Vitamin E also plays a role in maintaining the flexibility of cell membranes, which allows nutrients and oxygen to move more efficiently into muscle tissue. Their uniqueness lies in protecting the structural integrity of muscle fibers while supporting coordination and balance. Over time, this protective effect may help reduce cumulative muscle wear and tear, allowing seniors to train more consistently, recover more comfortably, and preserve functional strength needed for everyday movements like standing from a chair or carrying groceries. Seed number 2. Hemp seeds are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids in a highly digestible form. A 2023 study from McMaster University found that older adults engaging in light resistance training while consuming hemp protein increased lean mass meaningfully over 12 weeks. Digestibility becomes increasingly important with age, as stomach acid production and enzyme output decline, making some animal proteins harder to break down efficiently. Consuming 3 tablespoons daily blended into a smoothie within an hour after exercise may enhance results. High arginine content supports nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to working muscles and enhancing oxygen delivery during recovery. Improved insulin sensitivity observed in related metabolic studies further enhances nutrient delivery to muscle tissue. Hemp seeds also contain beneficial omega-6 to omega-3 ratios, which may help regulate inflammation without suppressing the natural muscle-building response to training. Additionally, their soft texture makes them easy to incorporate into meals without digestive heaviness, supporting consistent daily intake, which is critical for long-term muscle preservation after 60. And if you're serious about protecting your strength, balance, and independence after 60, make sure you subscribe to Senior Health Support right now. We share science-backed, simple strategies every week to help you stay strong, steady, and confident for years to come. Seed number 1. Sesame seeds. Finally, we come to sesame seeds, which may represent a true breakthrough for aging muscle. A 2024 study from Kyoto University found that sesamin, a lignin compound in sesame, activates pathways linked to mitochondrial biogenesis, essentially helping aging muscle cells produce more energy at the cellular level. Participants over 60 showed notable increases in lower body strength over 14 weeks, along with measurable improvements in walking speed and chair rise performance. Additional research noted improvements in bone mineral density markers, reductions in inflammatory cytokines, and enhanced neural muscle communication. MRI analyses revealed improved muscle fiber integrity in participants consuming sesame extracts alongside light resistance training, suggesting structural as well as functional benefits. What makes sesame so powerful is its ability to influence anabolic resistance, one of the primary barriers to muscle maintenance after 60. As we age, muscles become less responsive to protein signals, meaning the same amount of protein produces a weaker building response. Sesamin appears to improve mechanotransduction, the process by which muscles sense and respond to resistance, enhancing activation efficiency and cellular signaling. It also supports neural pathway communication between the brain and muscle fibers, meaning stronger, more coordinated contractions with less wasted effort. Some emerging findings suggest improved vascular flexibility as well, which may enhance nutrient delivery to both muscle and brain tissue. Early cognitive assessments in related trials showed subtle improvements in executive processing speed, reinforcing the connection between muscular strength and neurological vitality in aging populations. To implement this safely, begin with 1 tablespoon of ground sesame daily for the first 2 weeks to allow your digestive system to adapt. Gradually increase to 2 tablespoons by week 3 or 4, ideally spreading intake across meals for better tolerance. Pair it with 2 to 3 weekly resistance sessions focusing on controlled movements, especially slow eccentric phases, which amplify muscle signaling pathways and maximize mechanotransduction. Consuming sesame alongside vitamin C-rich foods may further support antioxidant balance and nutrient utilization. Staying consistent is key, as the benefits appear cumulative over time. When combined with progressive resistance and adequate overall protein intake, this approach may support greater muscle density improvements than relying on isolated animal protein sources alone. The big takeaway is this: after 60, building muscle isn't just about eating more protein. It's about overcoming anabolic resistance, reducing inflammation, improving mitochondrial function, and supporting neural activation. In multiple studies, older participants, even into their late 80s, improved measurable strength markers using targeted nutritional strategies combined with light resistance training. It's not about perfection, It's about progression. Now I'd love to hear from you. What daily activity feels harder than it used to? And how many grams of protein do you estimate you eat each day? Share below, because your experience may help someone else in this community. Before you go, let me connect something important. Today, we talked about how certain seeds can help rebuild muscle and fight anabolic resistance after 60. But here's the part most seniors completely overlook. You can eat the right protein every day and still have weak legs if specific vitamin imbalances are quietly interfering with your muscle strength and nerve signaling. In our next video, over 60, these 3 vitamins can silently weaken your legs. I break down 3 common nutrients that many older adults either overuse, underuse, or absorb poorly, and how they may be draining your strength without obvious warning signs. One of them is found in nearly every multivitamin. Another is often recommended for bone health, but can backfire when unbalanced. And the third directly affects nerve-to-muscle communication. When you understand this, everything about leg weakness after 60 starts to make sense. If you want stronger legs, better balance, and more confidence walking into your 70s and 80s, that video could change how you approach your daily supplements. Click on it now, and let's protect your strength the smart way.